Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Explicit Wellness. Yes, and welcome to Taco Tuesday. Today I will be making tacos, and I'm going to show you my ingredients. First, we're going to start off with 1/4 cup of water. I have cheese here, so I'm going to cut that up right there, sharp cheddar cheese, and I have 1 cup fourth of water. I have a teaspoon of chili powder here. I have a teaspoon of ground cumin. I have black pepper, teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of salt, and I put chives in a teaspoon of chives. And we also have a 1/4 of cayenne pepper there. We're also going to be needing limes. Yes, going to need 2 limes. So I'm going to squeeze the juice out. You're going to need lime. And we're also going to be needing shrimp. These are peeled and divine. These are Gulf shrimps, 41 to 60 count per pound. We're going to be needing cilantro. We're going to be needing cabbage. So I couldn't find the shredded cabbage, so I got the green cabbage, carrots, and red cabbage cut together. So I'm gonna need that for the cilantro sauce. So I'm gonna come back and show you how I will be preparing that, the cilantro lime slaw. Okay. Then I have back here, I need 1 avocado, sour cream, and then I bought this fajita mix. So that will go good on my tacos. Bell pepper, onions, and tomatoes. Then I have my taco shells here. I started to get the salt tacos and just fry them in the oil, but I decided to get these. They were cheaper. And I have my oil here. So that's complete my ingredients for my tacos. And yeah, I'll be back to show you the procedure on how to cook shrimp tacos. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Explicit Wellness. Yes, today we are going to be making shrimp tacos. So I'm going to show you how to make the cilantro lime slaw. So this is what we're needing. We're needing 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of cilantro, 2 limes, and that's the juice of 2 limes, 1/4 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of water, and salt. And we're going to need some onions. I didn't get the scallion onions, but I get white onions. So we're going to put everything in here now except the sour cream. So let's get started. I'm going to put the cilantro in there first. I'm going to put the onions in there next. I want to push everything down in here. We're also going to be needing our lemon juice of 2 limes, oil, 1/4 cup of oil, and 1/4 cup of water. And salt. 1/4 of salt. Okay. And now we're just gonna mix up everything in our blender here. Everything is blended. That's the consistency of it. Smells so good with, ooh, especially with those onions, you all. Now we're going to add our sour cream in. You add everything up, you blend it, and you add half cup of sour cream. And then we blend again. Okay, that's our consistency of it. Now the cilantro slime sauce is ready. And I'll be back to show you the next results with the shrimp. Okay, now we're back. And I hope you can see this. But this is the slaw, the cabbage. I'm just going to pour some of this sauce in here, cilantro sauce. Mix that all up together good. And I'm going to stir it up. As you can see, got everything mixed up together. Yes. And you do have some left over just in case you want to spread some of that over your tacos or whatever. But just make sure you have your slaw, your cabbages, coated with your cilantro lime sauce. And I'm going to set this to the side, and we're going to come back and we're going to start frying these shrimps up. Okay, we're back. We're going to start seasoning our shrimp. And remember, the shrimp ingredients were 3 cups of cabbages, 1 teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to put that cumin in there. 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper and the chives that I showed you earlier. Salt and pepper and the chives. That's 1/4 of each. I'm sorry, 1 teaspoon of each. Then we will have, we had our avocado. Then we'll have our chili, which is 1/4. And our cayenne pepper, which was 1/4. Okay. And now we want to give that a stir around. And mix all that together. And by the way, put your oven on 5 or 6. You don't want your shrimp to overheat and overcook. So let me see if it's ready. My oil is already in my pan. I'm going to cut mine down to 5, which is medium-low heat. The seasoning smells so good. And the cilantro sauce is so good, you all. I had to taste it with the slaw, the cabbages. Put these lightly, and when they're done, I'm going to come back. I don't want to keep you waiting, but let them simmer. You don't want them to get too tough or whatever. You just want them to be still juicy. But when your shrimp get a little palish, little color, a little browning to them, you want to take them off and drain them on a paper towel and then prepare it. Be back. Okay, guys, the shrimp are done. And take them off. And I'm going to let them sit on drain on here on my bowl in paper towels. Just gonna let them sit and drain while the tacos here are getting done. I think I'm going to eat 3 tonight, just only 3. I didn't do the whole bag of the shrimp either, just did half. So I'm gonna get 3 of these out, and you're supposed to cook them for 350 degrees for 3 to 4 minutes. So yes, let me take these out and we'll be back to prepare our tacos. Shrimp tacos, that is. Okay guys, we're back. The shrimp are ready and the tacos have been heated. And I have all my ingredients out, but first we're going to get started with, let's start, I'm not sure whether I want to put my guacamole on first. Remember, that's the guacamole, I just cut it up. And I have big chunks, but if you want to cut this up a little finer, you can. And I have my cheese. I have my onions, bell pepper, red pepper, and onions. I thought those tomatoes earlier, but they're red peppers. Green peppers and onions. And then we have our cabbage slaw here. So I think I'm going to put a little bit of this cabbage slaw in here first. So it can hold the shrimp in. Now I'm going to put some shrimp in there. You can do it with a spoon or you can do it with your hands. I think I'm going to put like 5 or 6 on each. Then I'm going to put some red peppers, green peppers, onions, bell pepper on here. Then I'm going to put some avocado. Like I said, you could have smushed that up a little better than I did, but I'm just going to, as you can see, just put a little bit on there. And there, that's what you have right now. Then I'm going to put a little cheese on here, y'all. Can't have a taco without cheese. Need a little cheese on there. Garnish it with a little cheese, as you all can see. And then I'm going to put a little bit more slaw on here to garnish it. It's going to be a little messy, but you know, it's okay. Yes. And there's one taco. It's messy, but it's a taco. I'm going to come back and show you the results of all 3. Okay, guys, I'm done. These are my shrimp tacos. I have made 3 of them. Don't they look delicious? I thank you all for tuning in to Explicit Wellness. And don't forget to like and share my video. And welcome to Taco Tuesday. Thank you for tuning in to Explicit Wellness.